Hi, good morning. Today I have created an enterprise sales analytics dashboard to build an interactive sales analytics dashboard using the Snowflake, Snowpark and the Streamlit. So that helps the business to monitor and analyze the sales performance, then the customer's behavior, then product performance and regional sales in real time. Okay. First, for that, we need to store the data in Snowflake and I will retrieve the data using the Snowpark and SQL queries. Then I will display the key business KPIs such as total revenue, total orders, total customers and the total products. Okay. Then I will analyze the sales trends over time. Then identify top spending customers. Then analyze the product sales and the quality, how much it gets sold. And then, sorry, not the quality, it's quantity. Compare the sales across different regions. And then I will provide a chart for decision making. And then we can download the sales also. Okay, reports as CSV files. Then import the dashboard performance using Streamlit caching. Okay. Then here the aim of is this project to develop an interactive enterprise sales analytics dashboard using Snowflake, Snowpark and Streamlit to analyze sales data, monitor key business KPIs, generate the reports and help stakeholders make data-driven business decisions. Okay. Today, first step, what you want to do means for that, we need to create the tables in the Snowflake, okay? In our Snowflake SQL sheet, first we need to create the tables, okay? What are the tables we are using here means, here we have, first in the data, I am using the database, sales analytics database, then sales schema, sales schema, okay? Then here I have created the warehouse also, sales warehouse, small everything. Then here I have created the table customers, products, orders and then also I have inserted some sample values. Okay, for customers, products, then orders I have created some sample values also. Okay, just inserted. Then at last we can view the table. Wait, I will create the table. In the Snowflake SQL sheet first we need to create. Okay. Then insert some sample values for these tables and we run the code. Executing, at last we can view the table. See here I have custom order ID, then customer name, then product name, then price, everything is here, quantity, total, then region, everything is here. Okay, then after that I have loaded everything in the Snowflake, that means Snowflake table, order, customer and the product table. Okay, next step, open Streamlit app. Here now we are going to write the queries. Okay, I already explained, right? Here we are going to create the dashboard for this one. Okay, what are the things we are going to create? First I am going to create the dashboard and then I will do sales analysis, then customer analysis, then product analysis, then regional analysis. Okay, then I will refresh the dashboard. Okay, first step, you want to import the Streamlit as ST. Okay, first we need to use this. Just I am importing the libraries. Okay, first I have used the keyword called ST. Okay, import the Streamlit library. Then ST is the shortcut. Okay, throughout the program I have used ST as the Streamlit shortcut. Okay, used to create the web dashboard. Okay, then next step, I am going to import the pandas library. Here we need to use it to store the query result in data frames. Okay, Streamlit is used to create the web dashboard. Then pandas is used to create the query result in the data frames. Okay, next step, I am going to import the current Snowflake session. Okay, we need to import the current. There we have created some tables, right? For that I am going to import the current Snowflake session. So it will be allows Streamlit to execute the SQL queries directly inside the Snowflake. Okay. Here we will write the Python codes, right? Pandas. Then it will, if you need the Streamlit to execute the queries directly inside the Snowflake. Next one is page configuration. Then here, what is the meaning of this ST? Already we have imported Streamlit as ST, right? So here you want to use ST. Then I want to configure the Streamlit page. Okay, page title is Enterprise Sales Analytics Dashboard. Then I have used the page icon. Then the layout is white. See here, our page title. This one I have changed as Enterprise Sales Analytics Dashboard. Now I am going to create one dashboard, right? Already I have explained what is the aim of the project. So just whatever things you need, you just keep in the title. It's our wish. Page title, here I have kept this Enterprise Sales Analytics Dashboard. It's our wish. Okay, then page icon, any icon we can give. Then layout means here we can use the wide layout. Okay, then now we are going to start the session. So gets the active Snowflake connection. For the active Snowflake connection, here you want to use session is equal to get active session of. Then use the later to run the SQL queries. Okay, for that we are using this active session. Then first thing, I am going to fully qualify the table names. Okay, because here we have used three tables, right? We have already run in Snowflake. So here I am going to use orders, customers, products. Okay, for that I have used stores the complete table name, orders, then customers, then product. Instead of writing from sales DB, it would be get confused. Okay, so instead of that you can use orders, customers, products. Then you will get the clear output. Okay, which database, which schema I have ordered table. Inside the sale analytics DB sales schema, I have customer table. Inside the sales analytics DB sales schema, I have the product table. Okay, next step, if you are using directly means that means orders that like that means from sales analytics like that means you will get some errors. Okay, instead of that you can try to write like this: orders is equal to customers is equal to product. Just to mention the table name. Okay, just to qualify the table name, and then you can directly use the DB schema then table. Okay, next one is I have the catchy function. Here catchy means how many seconds it want to store the results like that. Okay, catchy query results for here I have used 300, right? 300 seconds. Okay, that means 5 minutes. So its benefit is faster dashboard, right? Less load on Snowflake. Each and every time if you want to go and load in Snowflake, instead of that it should be stored in the memory for 5 minutes. Okay, then next one, here I am creating a function named run query. The input is an SQL query. Here we have said, right, definition. That means we have defined a function. Okay, run query of SQL creates a function named run query, and the input here we have used SQL query, right? For that we have attempts to execute the SQL. Here we have used return session SQL of then two pandas. Then what this meaning means, send SQL to Snowflake. Then here we have used two pandas, right? So converts the result into pandas data frame. Okay, here the meaning is it will be written, that means sends SQL to Snowflake, then it will converts the result to pandas. For that only I have used two pandas. Okay, then after that here what does the meaning means, in the product order ID and the product we have one two laptop mouse like that. Inside it will be stored in pandas. Okay, here if any error occurs means what it will do, it want to shows, right? For that only here I have used expectation as E. If an error occur, for example some table is missing or it's wrong SQL or permission issue, any issue means it want to show us the error. Okay, for that we have used. Then here I have used, see here I have used red, right? E st.f error. So what it will do means it will displays the error in red on dashboard. Okay, if there is any, now see here, now error means how it's shown, it will be shown clear and shown is the green, right? But here if there is any error means it want to show us on the red on the dashboard. Okay, then at last we have written an empty data frame instead of crashing the application. Full application gets by, if there is any empty means just return an empty data frame, that's enough. You don't want to crash the application. Okay, the next one I am going to save scalar function. Okay, what is the use of this means, it will create a helper function, purpose return and single value safely. Okay, so def save scalar I have used, then default equal to 0. Okay, if def is empty means, def is, that means data frame empty means whether the data frame has, check whether the data frame has rows. If empty return means 0, value is df dot I LOC 0 comma 0. That means gets the first row, first column. Example, if total sales, if you have 25,000 means it will return 25,000. It will get only the first row, first column. That only I have mentioned the column 0, comma 0. Okay. Then if the value is null means it will return 0. Otherwise return the actual value. That's the return if PD we have mentioned, right? So if you have the value null means it will return 0. If you have the actual value means it will return the actual value. Okay. Otherwise it will return the actual value. Then we have used the title. Already I have mentioned, right? Here we have used the title. What is the title we have given? Main title, Enterprise Sales Analytics Dashboard, right? Now we are going to create the Enterprise Sales Analytics Dashboard. So that's we have created. Next step, we have marked down. That means title we have given. Then we have given the small title, subtitle as Analytics Sales Customer Product and Revenue using Snowpark, Snowflake, then Streamlit. Okay, that and all we have mentioned. Then what is the meaning of the sidebar? Sidebar means, see here, for the sidebar navigation, I have used, what are things I have used? Dashboard, Sales Analytics, Customer Analytics, Product Analysis, then Religion Analytics, right? For that I have mentioned everything in the sidebar navigation. Okay, page is equal to the sidebar radio. Like this, when you mention means just you can click this one. Dashboard will be shown. Then when we click this sales analytics, it will be shown. Customer means it will be shown. Like that, line by line, we can use it. Okay. Then at last, for that we have dashboard. We have created everything, right? Then sidebar, then dashboard page. What is dashboard page? If page is equal to dashboard means run only if the user selects dashboard. Here when we run this customer analysis means it will show only the customer analysis, right? So now what is the meaning of this? If page is equal to, that means dashboard means only when we run the dashboard, that means when we select the dashboard button, it will be shown only the dashboard to the users. Okay. Next one is the header dashboard KPIs. That means display the heading. Okay. I will show. See here, it's display the heading as dashboard KPIs, right? That only I have mentioned. Streamlit header is equal to a dashboard KPIs, like that. Next here shows a loading animation while SQL queries executes. So everything we have written using the SQL queries. What are the things? Total revenue, everything. That means, for example, sum of P dot price into O dot quality or Q dot quality. Like that we have mentioned. So what are, how many revenues we have? Everything we have written in this dashboard. Okay. That means total orders means how we can count, select count of all from total orders, right? Just use the SQL queries. Okay. Then total customers means select count of all from customers. Then it will count the customers. Total product means select count of all from products. Then it will count the products. Then KPI cards means, so I have said this the column value. Okay. C1, C2, C3, like that you want to mention in the column values. Okay. So 4 columns I have selected. For example, revenue is $45,000 means it will be shown. Like that it will show the revenue. Okay. Then divider, everything I have, you just go through it. Group by region I have mentioned, just it's only the SQL queries. Okay. Just to go through it, everything. Here we have. Then we have given joins, each and everything. Okay. Next step, we have completed the dashboard. See here, I have run the dashboard. How many revenue I have? See here in the dollars. Then I have 5 orders, 5 customer, 5 products. Then according to the region, if you need to calculate means, see here, east I have every, how many things? East region sales. Then here, see here, north region sales. Then south region sales. Then west region sales. According to the region we have done. Then revenue details also. See here, 0 or then order ID, then Sophia monitor, product name, quantity is 1, then how many price, then total amount, then which region she belongs to, then order date also. Again another one, another thing, keyboard, everything we have created in the dashboard. Okay. So instead of that, if you want to see in Snowflake, you can just create one dashboard and you can get clear idea, right? If you need to download the sales report also, we can use. Here we have, see here, download sales report. Okay. This is the revenue details. Okay. Everything. Then for Emma, she buy, that means product name is mouse, then quantity 3, how many price, total revenue, when she get, which area, everything. Okay, sorry, which region, then David, then Alice, then John, like that it will be goes on. Okay. Next step is sales analysis. What is sales analysis? Now we are going to do the sales analysis. Here we have sales analysis, right? Okay. See here, I am going to create the daily sales totals. Okay, daily how much sales has happened there in the line chart and the data table also I have created. Both I have created. See here, sales analysis, I have created the line chart and also I have created the order date. That means data table. Okay. Then here, what we can do, we can, according to this, we have write the SQL queries. Okay. Just a SQL query is enough. If there is any empty means what you want to do, it will show in the red line. Okay. No sales data available. If there is data means it want to show the order date and the here it want to show the order date and the sales. Okay, if there is no data means it want to show, if there is empty means it want to show no sales data available. Okay, next one is customer analysis. What will we do? Customer analysis calculates the total spending by each customer. Okay, each, that means sum of price into quality, how many, quantity, how many price, then how many, then customer name, it went to group by the customer name. Okay, here also I have used bar chart and the table. See here, this is customer analysis. Here I have used the bar chart and the table. So analysis sales customers, products and the revenue using Snowflake Snowpark plus Streamlit. Okay, see here, customer name is John, total spend, how much he has spent. Then Alice, how much. Then David, how much he has spent. Emma, then here John, then Sophia. Like that it will be goes on. Okay, total spent how much. Then see here into the bar chart and I have also shown us the table. Okay, for this customer analysis. Then last one is product analysis. Okay, if same thing, the customer also, if there is empty means it want to show no customer data available. If it's clear, I have the data means it want to show in the x-axis customer name, y is equal to total spend. Like that same thing we have created as a table also. Okay, see here John, Alice, everyone. Okay, at last everything is successful means you want to use enterprise sales analytics dashboard loaded successfully. Next step, we are going to do product analysis. Product analysis means same thing. It want to calculate the total quantity sold for each product. Okay, only the product analysis. So total quantity I have sold for each product. Okay, here also I have used what bar chart and the table. Okay, we can see here I have used a sidebar navigation, right? So you can easily you can do product analysis also. When we click the product analysis, see here I have get only the product total quantity and the keyboard. So keyboard, how much quantity? 20. Laptop, 8. Then here mobile, 4. Monitor, it's 4. Mouse, 12. Like that I have given the total quantity and also the product name. Okay. At last we have, then again see here in the bar chart plus I have mentioned it in the table also. Okay, keyboard how much quantity, mouse how much, laptop, mobile, monitor, like that I have mentioned. So it's successful, right? So enterprise sales analytics dashboard loaded successfully. Okay, at last we have regional analysis. Regional analysis, what we can do, we can do total orders by region. Okay, according to the region, that means each east how much, south, north, like that, according to the region we can get count of all. Okay, then sales by region means sum of price into quantity. So here also we have displayed the bar chart and the table. Okay, see here regional analysis also we have mentioned as the bar chart and the table. Okay, here also I have this one region east, then how much sales, north, then south, then here also west. In the west how much sales happen, like that according to the region wise I have created the bar chart and the table. See here table also we have. Okay, then at last we have created the this one footer. Okay, adds a separator in the sidebar. We have used one refresh button also, right? See here on sidebar we have refresh button also. So what it will be do, it will create this one we have used, right? st sidebar button refresh dashboard. That means in the sidebar button it created the refresh button also. Automatically it will get each and every time it will get refreshed. Okay, here so if st return means it will reload the application. Okay, Catchy data means what it will do? Clears the catchy query result. That means each and every time when we refresh the data, that means refresh the dashboard, it want to clear the catchy results, right? Then ST return means reload the application. ST markdown means draws another horizontal line. Okay. Then this one is ST, that means success. If it's everything is success means in the green success message indicates the dashboard loaded successfully. Okay, clear? So enterprise sales analytics dashboard loaded successfully. For each and everything we get the message, right? Enterprise sales analytics dashboard successfully. For that we have used the footer, we have used st success. So this project demonstrate key streamlit concepts. Okay, page layout, then sidebar widgets, then charts, table, catching, download buttons. Together we have written with the Snowflake concepts, then Snowpark session, fully qualified table names, SQL queries, joins, aggregation, and converting the results to pandas, data frames. So for the interview portfolio for the project, we can just explain this streamlet. Okay. Then Okay, already I have explained the aim of the project, right? So what is the aim of this project? To build an interactive sales analytics dashboard using Snowflake, Snowpark and Streamlit that helps the business monitor and analyze the sales performance, customer behavior, then product performance and regional sales in real time. Okay, so it will be useful, right? You can just instead of you want to use the table everything according to the chart we will get, right, how many customers are working, then how many revenue, everything we will get, right? So it will be useful, right? For each and everything I have created. Okay, dashboard, sales analytics, then customer analysis, then product analysis, then regional analysis. If you want to do, you can refresh the page also. So each and every time our data get refreshed. Okay. Okay, then thank you. Please subscribe. If you have any doubts, please ping me in the comment. Thank you for your patience.